What is up, everyone? Oh my goodness, good to see you guys again. It's been a while. Been over a year since I did the diesel post. But I tell you what, it's been fun, and holy crap, we're finally starting to get the views that I wanted. We went from 35,000 views 3 weeks ago, and now we got like 400 subscribers and 50,000 views. So I'm loving it, guys. Keep watching. They're testing me. They say, "What else you got? What else you got in that library?" I said, "I got all day. I got all day." You know what I mean? Welcome to the Drag Races 2018. Jump on my R6, baby. I'm gonna give you a ride. Wow! Now, you guys, it's been a long time coming for this. I'm willing to go to the distance of anywhere to get on a stage, so I need your help spreading the word. I need this YouTube channel to blow up. So we're gonna do everything from dirt bikes, maybe a couple Harleys in there. Now for you guys down south, you want to hear the airboat, eh? I was out gator hunting. Can you do the airboat? We's gonna get him today, Jacob. You guys, there's so much crap that I can do. It's not crap. This is good stuff. This is good material, right? I'm at a loss for words. Thank you so much to the 314 subscribers on YouTube. Keep watching me on Facebook, Instagram me, KODY Steele with a K. Thank y'all so much. And I'm going to keep coming up with stuff. Keep watching Motormouth Entertainment.